Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a Disney Plus account. So the first step is go to the superior right corner in the part of login. And after that, you need to put your email, your reaction of email. For example, this, you put in continue. And after that, you need to create a password. For example, after you create your password, you click here in agree and continue. And you need to wait a few minutes and because this charge and you accept the conditions and you need to be put here what plan you can pay. For example, this monthly or annual. So this is a promotion with the start. You can pay this, and if you want, you can pay with credit card, debit card, or PayPal. So you choose the plan. You put your information of pay, and you put here and agree and subscribe. And this is the process. This is the process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.